you know that subclass 485 visa holders are putting pressure on the Australian government to extend temporary graduate visas outside of Australia as 485 lives matter? Temporary graduate visa holders, subclass 485, who are stranded outside Australia have petitioned the federal government to freeze or extend their visas, claiming that they are wasting valuable time due to COVID-related border restrictions. Watch the video till the end to get complete information, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video. Warm welcome from Brain Drain Consultants to our immigration information and news channel A2Z Immigration Updates.
Here are some of the news highlights. Temporary graduate visa holders stuck in India call on the government to extend or freeze visas. Only 344 of the 9,903 TGV holders who sought exemptions between the 1st of August 2020 and the 31st of March 2021 were allowed admission into Australia. Greens Senator Nick McKim said the Australian government has no plans for 485 visa holders. There are plenty of 485 visa holders whose lives have been put on hold in India and around the world. They all waiting for the Australian government to make a judgment in their favour to either extend their visas or freeze their duration from the time the borders were closed. There will be no exception for temporary graduate visa holders? The visa subclass 485 is for overseas students who have completed 2 years of education in Australia. It can last anywhere from 18 months to 4 years, depending on the circumstances of the applicant, and it permits successful candidates to live, work, and study in Australia for a limited period. Graduates affected by COVID-19 travel limitations were offered exceptional visa concessions by the federal government in September last year, allowing them to apply for and be granted a temporary graduate visa, TGV, outside Australia if they met all of the requirements. However, despite their importance, the concessions had no impact on the fate of existing 485 visa holders who were stranded outside the country. Many of them have come together in the last year and launched a social media campaign called 485 Lives Matter, urging the government to extend or freeze their visas. Abul Rizvi, a former deputy secretary in the Department of Immigration, said the Department of Home Affairs is facing a difficult situation. He told SBS Punjabi that there could be a variety of techniques to resolving this problem. The simplest solution would be to say that look, whatever time you have left on your 485, we'll freeze it, and then you can return to Australia for the rest of your vacation. That would be a straightforward solution, and the department simply alters the regulations to reflect that. Mr. Rizvi also advised a course of action for the Department of Home Affairs to take to alleviate the uncertainty that exists in the lives of current 485 visa holders. He went on to say that depending on the nature of the visa holder's credentials, the department might take a stricter stance. So, if your qualification is in high demand in Australia, you get your time back, and if it isn't, you don't. Are there no preparations on the Australian government side for those holding 485 visas? According to data from the Department of Home Affairs, the majority of TGV holders who filed for internal travel exemptions between the 1st of August 2020 and the 31st of March 2021 were denied. Only 344 persons on 485 visas were allowed to enter Australia during that period, out of a total of 9,903 persons. Greens Senator Nick McKim, who has raised the plight of temporary graduate visa holders multiple times in the Senate, told SBS Punjabi that his office has been inundated with calls and messages from desperate 485 visa holders who have spent thousands of dollars on their Australian degrees but are now watching their visas run out and expire for no fault of their own. He stated that the administration does not have any plans for 485 visa holders or any other temporary visa holders in general. It is not their fault that they were outside the country when the borders were blocked, and the government should give automatic extensions for 485 visa holders who are stranded abroad. A spokesman for the Department of Home Affairs responded to SBS Punjabi's question on if the government plans to amend the visa settings for offshore TGV holders, saying that the government recognizes the value that international students and graduates bring to Australia. Throughout the pandemic, the government made many visa amendments and will continue to evaluate visa settings to promote Australia's economic recovery, the spokeswoman said. Through COVID-19, the government has introduced measures to support the sector, such as modifying the TGV eligibility rules to allow international students to apply for and be granted a temporary graduate visa outside of Australia if they are unable to return to Australia owing to COVID-19. Due to COVID-19, student visa holders studying online outside of Australia will be allowed to utilize their studies to satisfy the Australian study requirement for a post-study work visa, the representative stated. We hope that you will like our efforts to provide accurate information to you, and you will definitely like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you again with another video.